हेलो एवरीवन, थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू प्रेजेंट माय पोएम हियर। सो मेरी जो कविता है वो उन माओं की तरफ से है जो खुद को तो खो चुकी हैं इस सफ़र में, ज़िंदगी की सफ़र में, पर उनका जो एक टुकड़ा बचा हुआ है उनके पास, जो वो खुद से भी ज़्यादा संभाल के रखती है, दुनिया के सामने नहीं खोना चाहती है, पर वो उसे भी खोने के लिए तैयार है, सिर्फ और सिर्फ उस नन्ही सी जान के लिए जिसे वो जान से भी ज़्यादा प्यार करती है। सो द टाइटल इज द मदर वाउज। I try to feed them with my flesh and bones. I try to feed them with my flesh and bones. Yet they come craving for my soul. They took my name, stripped my cherished dream away. Now they are hungry for the last of me, the ghost of who I used to be. It is hard to draw a breath in here. It is hard to draw a breath in here, harder still to swallow. Yet I cling shamelessly to this life for the sake of the life I hope. Things are miserable for me now. Things are miserable for me now, but the shadow will not reach her. This is the promise I swear to my soul. I will throw my body to the hyenas. I will let them tear my spirit as long as I make sure you will always have your own. My name may be forgotten in the wind. My name may be forgotten in the wind, but yours will be written in the sun. I am the bridge that burns as you cross to a land where nothing is ever lost. I will stand as the armor, cold and scarred. I will stand as the armor, cold and scarred between your soft heart and this jagged world. Let the thorns pierce my skin until I am numb, so you may walk where roses have no teeth. They see a victim hollowed and worn. They see a victim hollowed and worn, but they do not see the fortress I have become. Every piece of me they still, every piece of me they still is a brick I lay to pave the path for your escape. So let the sky grow dark and the haunts draw near. So let the sky grow dark and the haunts draw near. I am the anchor holding steady through the storm. My silence is the shield. My silence is the shield. My endurance is the wall. I will fall 1,000 deaths so you never have to stumble. I am the hunger. I am the end of the hunger. I am the end of the hunger, and you are the beginning of the light. Thank you, everyone.